In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hear your friend's voice in clips on your PS5. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to click the options button, this one, and then go on the right side and go to capture options and press X. Now here go down and you have to turn this on. If it's turned off, turn this on, and also turn this on. Now press the PS5 button and go to game base, and here in game base go to party and then go on a friend and press X, and then here go down and go to these three dots, press X, go to voice chat settings, press X. Now here go to share your voice, press X, and go select allow and press X, and you have to tell your friends to do the same, and then you can hear your friend's voice in clips on PS5. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.